lang, no, dito sa partners. So to the partner, kaya siya may nakadawat sa kwarta, so mag-debit siya cash, mag-credit siya karon og note payable. Diba? Based on during transactions, no? So ipa-partners lend amount, no? So it should be credited to loan payable partners account. No, dili capital, kay liabilities man na siya. No? While kung to daw nag-withdraw kini siya, kung bayaran niya, so receivable ang atong i-debit. No? Kay kumbaga ang utangan ana karon ang partners man. No, dito sa partnership. Okay? So any questions na yung mga pangutana? Okay. So let's proceed now for the continuations of our discussions, no? So it is dirita karon sa adjustments, no? For the partnership ng mga accounts. Okay? So dirita. Okay. So we're going to discuss now the partnership formations, no? So valuation of the investment by the partners, no? So the book of the partnership are open with the entry reflecting the net contributions of the partners to the firm. No? Assets account are debited for assets contributed to the parties. Liability account are credited to any liabilities assumed by the partnership, no? Separated account are credited to the amount of each partner net investment, no? So we're talking of assets less liabilities, no? Kaya we are talking of balance sheet man, no? So kung tanawin nato class ang balance sheet nato, di ba ang formula sa accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus capital, no? So mo lang gitawag nato nga less, no? Kay kumbaga pila ang working capital nato. So kung tanawin nato ang working capital class, no, gikan na siya sa current asset minus current liabilities, no? So ang kasabutan ng working capital, we are talking of the capital that will be used by the partnership for the operations of the business. Okay. So diri sa partnership class na duha ko, na cash ug non-cash. So kabalo naman ta sa cash in a form of money, no? Ang non-cash, so mo nang gitawag nato nga valuations, no? Kay kumbaga tan-awon nato ang non-cash class, we're talking of a certain properties, no? For example, inventory is a non-cash, no? Or property sa non-cash. So duha ra na siya, no? May kag non-cash, kumbaga it should be an inventory or a non-current assets, no? Kaya ang valuation mangud ana niya class is dili tanawon nato, no, kung wala siya for market value. No, pasabot sa ang for market value diri class, no, usually kung kana ang amount sa market, no, kung ibaligya nato siya or kung palito nato siya during the period. Okay? So the fair market value of an asset is the estimated amount that a willing seller would receive from a financial capable buyer to the sale of the asset in a free market. No, so pilay baligya nato ada. So per international financial reporting or IFRS number 3 values the price which an asset or liability could be in exchange, no, in a current transaction between eligible and related willing parties. No, kumbaga pila may baligya nato, no, dito sa mga willing nga mga parties nga mopalit, no, sa atohang assets nga ibaligya nato. Okay? So depende lang na siya sa amount, no, or sa assessment value. So let's proceed now for the adjustment of account prior to the formations, no. So diri class, no, take note ha. Sa adjustment class, tuluran gid ang account nga gatamatiman nato assets, liabilities ug capital, no. So kumbaga either liabilities, asset or liabilities ato hang tanawon. Kaya nga itong partner anak class is ang capital, no? So wala di ang kung tanaw nato, no? So need ka, ang purpose mo gudanin niya is adjustments, no? Kaya ang purpose nato is para ma-reinstate nato pilagid ang current value ani nga mga assets, no? Before nato siya isulod into a partnership. Kaya we are talking of partnership formation man. Okay. So diri na atay tulo ka klase, no, before ta mo proceed ani diri. Ha? Okay. So diri ta sa muni ang mga partnership formations that we going to discuss along the way, no? So naatay number 1, individual with no existing business form a partnership.